Hello and welcome to the Math Studio. In this video, we're going to apply the double angle formula to find an expression for cos of 3 theta. So this is the triple angle in terms of the angle theta. So I've started off with the first line here. Cos of 3 theta could be expressed in terms of a compound angle or the sum of two angles. So cos of 3 theta equals cos of 2 theta plus theta. And of course we can expand that and we end up with cos of 2 theta cos theta minus sine of 2 theta sine theta. Now we end up with two terms, and each of these terms involves a double angle. So we can reduce that further from a double angle now to the single angle. So cos of 2 theta, and I'm going to leave it in terms of cosine or in terms of cos. Now cos of 2 theta is 2 cos squared theta minus 1 times cos of theta minus sine 2 theta, so that's 2 sine theta cos theta multiplied by sine theta. So let's expand the first set of brackets there. So that's going to be 2, that's cos cubed theta minus cos of theta minus 2 sine squared theta cos of theta. So at this point, have we answered the question? Yes, because in fact it's all in terms of the angle theta, but I'm just going to go one step further and express it in terms of cos of theta, or some power of the cos of theta. So let's keep going. So I want to eliminate the sine squared theta here, or convert that obviously into something involving cos squared theta. So it's all in terms of cos theta, or a power of cos theta. So that's 2 cos cubed theta minus cos of theta minus 2 cos theta outside of, now sine squared theta is 1 minus cos squared theta, of course. So that's 2 cos cubed theta minus cos of theta minus 2 cos of theta plus 2 cos cubed theta. So now let's collect some like terms. We have 2 cos cubed theta plus 2 cos cubed theta. So that's 4 cos cubed theta minus 3 cos of theta. So just for completeness, what I could say, or I could write, is that cos of 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cubed theta minus 3 cos of theta. Now I'm going to go again one step further here, and I'm going to make cos cubed the subject of the formula. So just sort of as an extra to this video, if we make cos cubed the subject of the formula, or cos cubed theta, that's cos of 3 theta minus 3 cos of theta is equal to 4 cos cubed theta. And if we divide both sides by 4, and I'm going to switch the left-hand side and the right-hand side around, we're going to have cos cubed theta is equal to cos of 3 theta minus 3 cos of theta all over 4. And this formula here, or this identity here, is a very, very useful one, especially in calculus. So if we have to sort of deal with, for example, the integration of cos cubed theta, which is very difficult to do, we could in fact write cos cubed theta in terms of just cos of 3 theta or just cos of theta. So it's a great way to reduce the power of cos into something just involving a triple angle or a single angle. Thank you for watching.